Hello everyone, welcome to Family Crafts. Today we are making paper mosaics. Do you know what a mosaic is? A mosaic is a picture or pattern produced by arranging together small colored pieces of material such as tile, glass, or, in our case, paper. Would you like to make a paper mosaic? Great! Let's get started. For this project you will need the following supplies: colored paper for the background of your mosaic, paper scraps, it could be construction paper, origami paper, wrapping paper, colorful pages from a magazine or catalog, any kind of paper works. See what you have around the house. You can cut them into small pieces before you start, or cut them as needed while you work on your mosaic. Pencils, crayons, and or markers, glue stick or glue, and scissors. Some other materials you might enjoy having: aluminum foil, fabric scraps, and sequins. Anything you can glue to paper works. See what you have around the house. Take a moment to gather your supplies. You may want to pause the video while you do that. Is everyone ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Think about what picture or pattern you'd like to create. You could make a portrait of someone, or create a mosaic of your favorite place, or maybe a pattern of different colors. Do you have an idea in mind? On to step 2. Step 2. Assemble your mosaic. Choose a full sheet of paper for your background, where you'll glue your paper squares or scraps. It can be any size you want. You could even glue two together to make a bigger sheet. Sketch your design or picture on your background paper so you have an idea where you want to glue different colors of paper. You don't have to do this, but I find it helpful. Start gluing. Use different colored paper scraps to fill in the colors in your picture. Trim the scraps to the size or shape you want, or not. It's up to you. Step 3. Have an art show. Hang your mosaic up. Step back and admire it. You did a great job. How did your mosaic come out? We'd love to see your artwork. Tag us on social media, #CarrieAtHome, or send your photo to carriekids@minlib.net, and we'll add it to our Family Crafts Flickr album.